Welcome to Linux. Today we're going to see how to install and configure OpenSSL for Apache on Oracle Linux 8.8. The OpenSSL library implements the secure socket layer and the transport layer security protocol. In simple terms, SSL refers to standard for keeping an internet connection secure and safeguarding sensitive data that is sent between two systems, preventing criminals view or altering any information sent. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install Apache Web Server by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable the service of Apache by using the following command. Next, I am going to start the service of Apache by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of Apache service by using the following command. It is active and running. Next, I am going to add the firewall for HTTP by using the following command. Next, I am going to add the firewall for HTTPS by using the following command. Next, I reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to install mode-SSL by using the following command. Give yes. Next, I am going to create a SSL key and a certificate by using the following command. Enter the country name, enter state name, enter location, give the organization name, give unit name, enter IP, enter email ID. Next, I am going to create a directory in Apache root by using the following command. Change the directory on following path by using the following command. Create .html extension file by using the following command. And enter the following statement. Save and exit from the file. Next, give ownership by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a virtual host configuration file by using the following command. Add those lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to create host entry by using the following command. Enter IP. Enter the host name. Save and exit from the file. Restart the Apache service by using the following command. Next, go to the browser. Search the domain. Click advance. Next, click the accept the risk and continue. This is a process to install and configure OpenSSL for Apache on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.